Hello everyone, and welcome back to NextGen ICT. If you're new here, this channel is all about learning technology and web development step by step, in a simple and practical way. This is HTML Day 8, and today we're going to talk about something very important and very visual. In this lesson, you'll learn how images work in HTML, how to add images from your computer, how to use images from the internet, and some best practices every beginner should know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently add images to your own web pages. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly recap. In the previous lessons, we learned about HTML structure, text formatting, lists, and how to properly organize content on a web page. So far, everything has been mostly text-based. Today, we're taking the next big step and making our web pages more visual by adding images. So, what is an image in HTML? Images are used to make websites more attractive, more informative, and easier to understand. They can be photos, icons, logos, or illustrations. In HTML, images are added using a special tag called the image tag. Unlike text, images are not written. They are loaded from a file or a link. To add an image in HTML, we use the img tag. The img tag is a self-closing tag, which means it does not need a closing tag. This tag tells the browser to display an image on the page. But by itself, the img tag doesn't work unless we add attributes. And that's where the real magic happens. The most important attribute of the img tag is the src attribute. src stands for source. It tells the browser where the image is located. If the browser cannot find the image at the given location, the image will not be displayed. This is one of the most common issues beginners face when working with images. Let's first talk about local images. Local images are images that are stored inside your project folder. Local images load faster and work even without an internet connection. This is the most common way to use images in real projects. Now let's look at online images. Online images are loaded from the internet using a full URL. These images require an internet connection to load. If the website hosting the image goes down, your image will disappear. So always be careful when using online images. Now let's talk about a very important attribute, the alt attribute. Alt stands for alternative text. It is used when the image fails to load, a screen reader is used, search engines read your page. Always include meaningful alt text. This is very important for accessibility and SEO. We can also control the size of an image using the width and height attributes. Setting image size helps keep your layout clean and prevents content from jumping while loading. Let's look at some common beginner mistakes when using images. Using the wrong image path, forgetting the alt attribute, using very large image files, and relying too much on online images. These mistakes can slow down your website or break your layout. Now it's your turn. Try this. Add one local image, add one online image, set a width for at least one image, and add a proper alt text. Pause the video and practice. This is how you truly learn web development. Today, you learned how to use the img tag, the difference between local and online images, the importance of the alt attribute, and how to control image size. You're now making your web pages more visual and professional. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the journey with NextGen ICT. See you in the next lesson.